Ever wondered why your bank doesn't pay you cashback when you shop? Us too. And that's why with Cheddar, you'll earn cashback with any of your existing debit or credit cards simply by linking them to the app. You'll immediately receive personalized offers that you can shop in-store or online as normal using your existing cards. And what's the catch? There isn't one. Our amazing brand partners, including Ocado, Game, Sports Direct, and many more, want you as a customer, and we split the commission they pay us with you so everyone's happy. This accumulates as a balance that you can redeem with a simple tap, and the full amount is sent directly to your linked bank account. The app is versatile as you can also use it to get paid back by friends. And there's no excuse not to join, as it takes less than a minute to set up and it's free. Even better, you get paid. You can link any of your cards from the major UK banks and start earning inflation-busting cashbacks today.